Ever wondered where all those arrows come from, or how to get better trades from villagers? First, you'll need to craft a fletching table, and it's surprisingly simple. Just place 2 planks of any wood type on the top row and 4 sticks directly below them in a crafting table. There you have it, a brand new fletching table ready to be placed. Now, the real magic begins. If you place this table near an unemployed villager, there's a good chance they'll adopt the Fletcher profession. A Fletcher villager can trade emeralds for arrows, tipped arrows, and even bows, which is super useful if you're short on materials. One important thing to note: unlike other workstations, the fletching table itself doesn't have a crafting interface. It's purely for job assignment. So, while you can't directly make arrows on the table, it's your gateway to infinite arrow supplies and potentially enchanted bows through villager trading. Place down your fletching table today to get one step closer to becoming an archery master and the best villager trades. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.